Dollar 12-month chart. First image. We can see the horizontal backbone of the dollar. It begins at the point where the dollar broke away from its dependence on the value of gold, and a new monetary regime began, one that has continued to this day. Second image. In the second image, we can clearly see the eras in which the oscillation between the dollar and gold was most pronounced. Third image. In the third image, we can see the fractal element. At every pivot point, the same emotional process unfolded in the market, creating the same fractals. The candle patterns and their character can be identified very clearly. Fourth image. Here, we are looking at the fractals of time. We can see how the opposing cycles went through the same process, creating a symmetrical and remarkably precise time cycle. A process like this can mark the completion of a macro cycle. One side revealed its cards over 32 years. The other side revealed its cards over another 32 years. And now, we are looking at the outcome. We may not be able to read exactly what the cards say, but we can understand what they are pointing toward. Fifth image. In the fifth image, we can see a nearly 60-year downtrend, just 1 year before the 61 Fibonacci level. This is significant when we look at the frequencies of cycles. 0.618 is not a number that applies only to price. It can be viewed as a universal dimension, one that may emerge across different processes and components within a chaotic system. Sixth image. Between the high and low that define the original range, we can see a Fibonacci grid. Notice how the 0.5 level and the backbone of the overall structure share exactly the same price, with remarkable precision. And then observe how price reacted to 0.618 and to the other Fibonacci ratios. Every reaction and oscillation around each ratio is remarkably consistent, not only in its precision, but also in the character of the relationship between price and the Fibonacci ratio it is resonating with. What we are seeing is not simply a collection of Fibonacci levels on a chart. It is a structure unfolding across price, time, and scale.